Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the Dollar General clearance event in today's video. We have some freebies, some cheapies, and a whole lot of magic in this video. So I am very, very excited about the clearance event that'll be taking place Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Let's get this video to 1,000 thumbs up because we love the Dollar General. Okay, again, the dates, which is very important, is the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March. So on that specific window of time, the items specifically in the clearance aisle, which we're looking for in this video, an additional 50% off. For example, if you have an item that's $1, it'll be 50 cents. At selected 70% off stores, that same item will be 30 cents at 70% off. Definitely have a hawk eye, keep an eagle eye, whatever bird you want to use on that register on Friday. Sometimes the first day of a clearance event, items do not ring up properly, so just keep an eye out for that. Around 5 a.m. Eastern time on Friday, March the 1st, you're going to see the prices change in the app around 5 o'clock in the morning. And if you are going to use the content in this video, if you are another content maker or you have a big Facebook group about Dollar General, please share the video link. I would be so grateful. At the very end of this video, I'm going to show a tutorial on how to use the Dollar General app to open it up to scan barcodes to see prices. Again, the prices will not change in the app till Friday morning as discussed, but I will link this tutorial at the end. So what is the importance of this event? Well, when you can get items at 50% off of a clearance price, there's a bit of magic, especially when you can stack coupons and get a table like this for under 20 bucks. I mean, that's some tremendous savings. If your store has a very tiny clearance section, you're also going to want to look for items with these orange stickers because a lot of those are the clearance products, or it might not be tagged at your store and then you might just have the best luck at finding all of this merchandise. Time for a quick pop quiz. We have a box of crackers with the clearance tag on it for $1.55. When you scan the barcode on Friday, it should be ringing up for 77 cents, and then you know you are in business to find some deals. Right now, it's still $1.55. Friday morning, it goes to 77 cents. I would really recommend, if this is your first time going out to the Dollar General clearance event, to definitely scout your store. Is this worth your time? Do they have a good clearance section? Are there a lot of those orange stickers? Are the items that I'm showing you, you're finding it easily at your store? If the answer is yes, then I would definitely head out on Friday, March the 1st. Typically, shoppers go really hard on these deals, so Friday morning is the time to go and make it happen. A lot of us that have really been enjoying the surprise penny list, definitely these gray totes that show up, we're going to have to look through them because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of surprise pennies inside of them, and also the boxes that float around or show up during a clearance event because, I mean, just look at this. Those Duracell plugs for the cell phone, that's a penny. And, just if you have a discernive eye, if you've been following some of the penny hauls I've been doing, you can look through a cart, a little tote like this and say, oh yeah, that's that. That's a Febreze wax, and that's also going to be like a little freebie as well with digital coupons. If you're really new to the penny game, I made a very easy video last week, 7 quick tips on how to have a lot of success with penny shopping. Check it out. I'll link it at the end. Another penny pop quiz. If you scan both of these barcodes, they're ringing up 0.00. That's a penny item, and they're probably stuffing a couple of these in those gray totes. Often, if they are short-staffed, they just fill up those totes, put them in the back of the store, and for clearance events, they pull them out. And if you look through these, you might find a lot of pennies. I'm certainly hoping I do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is diapers. Lots of stores are staging little end caps near the clearance section with a lot of the diapers. The first is this bag of Pampers. It's just going to be $5.50. There are no digital coupons to go with. The coupon that we had expired on February the 29th, so meh. But, for some of these cashbacks that are kind of linked with IBOTTA, double, triple check that they're still there to ensure that you're getting the biggest savings. A lot of these guys, we're just going to go with the flow here. I'm not going to talk about every single one, but I'm going to show you the math. We have these pull-ups at $4. Definitely keep a good eye on that cash register in case things are not ringing up properly, or you can ask for a price check before you buy it. Sometimes things even don't ring up in the app properly the first day of a clearance event. I've seen these in the clearance section for about 10 years. So for $4.50, you can get those PJ Masks Easy Ups. I've seen them there forever. I don't know about you guys. And just moving it along, we have this $2. This is a cashback, so a little bit different. We have a larger box of 88 for $10.75. I don't think this is going to be around on Saturday either to do a 5 off 25. This one's another cashback, $11.50. That's a very good price point. If you have a toddler that wears diapers still, I mean, that's a great price point. And this one also the same price point with the cashback. So, I mean, just fantastic. We're going to utilize this $3.30 off of 2. This is an older one, but if we looked at that gray tote earlier, you know, I saw a couple in there. So $2.90 for 2 of them. Subtracting that digital coupon, it's free plus 40 cents of overage at a non-updated store. At an updated store, it's just a free item. Now, here's some stuff I've been finding recently. This little small spaces in the Downy Com. So this would be 30 cents for the 2 with that digital coupon, and the same price point for the Febreze in the scent wood, and this is one of the air effects, so 30 cents for the 2. And for these plugs, it would be $1.65 for 2. These have really jumped in price, just to note that. So load the more valuable digital coupon, the $3.30 off of 2. There's $1 off 1. Load the one where you buy 2 and get the bigger discount. Now we're going to load this guy, which is $1.50 off of 1, and we have these essential mists, so it's the oil to go in your kit for 75 cents. Loading this $2 digital, we have the Finish Quantum tabs for 22 cents, so it'll be $2 and some change. Subtracting that $2 coupon drops it down to 22 cents. That is an unheard of price. And now we're looking at saving 2 instantly. When you buy 2, you don't have to load anything for this one. And it's with the Suave products. Suave's hand soap, either in the Ocean Breeze or there's a lemon one, they're going to be $1 each. With the buy 2, save 2, guess what? That's a little something called free, which is awesome. Now, if you find 2 of these kids coconut shampoos, they're larger as well. 2 of them will be like $3.05 or something like that. Subtracting $2, it'll be $1.02 for the 2. That's a very good price point for those kids shampoo. And the Suave Rose Gold will be 70 cents for 2 with the same promotion. And then the larger one will be $2.50 for the 2, a bit more, but they're larger bottles. And here are the 2 UPCs. We're going to look at some food. The Hamburger Helper for $1.67. Great price point. I saw these artificial sweeteners at many stores. They'll be 77 cents. And we're looking at 50% off stores for all of the math for this video. Obviously, at a 70% off store, it'll be a bit deeper savings. $1.87 for the Captain Crunch Birthday. Seems kind of an interesting cereal. And we have the Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand coffee for $2.92. And then if you're more of a K-Cup coffee drinker, we have these IHOP ones for $3.70. Saw them in the majority of the clearance sections that I visited at various stores. Panko Clover Valley for 92 cents. Always a staple in everybody's kitchen. And then these little gummies by Funables. There was a Shopkick rebate for 600 points back, but I think it expires the last day of February, so we're going to miss out on that. And then we have some flavored popcorn for $1.57. Definitely a great snack when you're doing this sort of shopping. And then we have the Pop-Tart Bites for $1.35 for 5 pouches. And then another protein bar by Alani, $1.37. Obviously, the penny ones are a bit more they're a little better tasting, but you know, for $1.37, why not? This friend, which is a 3 off of 2. 2 of the kids' toothpaste at $3. Subtracting that coupon, it's a little something called free. So that is a very good deal if you can track 2 of them down. And then we have the Gain. It's kind of like the Power Wash. This will be $2.12. I wish we had a digital coupon. My store still has a lot of these Tide Pods. It's the Tide Pod Light for $4.47. I wish we had a digital coupon, but as of now, no. And then also his little sister, this guy for $2.25. We get it cheaper at Walgreens, but you know, if you need it, why not? The dollar digital for the Caress, this guy will be 95 cents after the digital coupons and the 50% off price on Friday. We also have the Lysol disinfectant wipes for $1.57. Check Shop Me, and maybe there's a rebate for that guy. Maybe, maybe not. This Heal Rescue, this seems like a great product for $3.15. I'm going to definitely have to grab one of those for my mom. It's something she'd like. We have this Biore Daily Detox. I saw this in so many clearance sections. $2.40. And check the different rebate apps, IBOTTA, Shop Me, in case there might be some more money that you can apply for later. Just a thing. We have this dollar digital for the Old Spice, making this guy $1.70, and this is a shampoo, believe it or not. We have this wonderful $2 digital coupon off of one Head and Shoulders. We have this guy in the clearance section. So subtracting that $2 digital coupon at 50% off, it'll be 92 cents. Amazing. And then $2.70 for this Axe. Again, I would love to see some sort of like digital coupon show up for this guy. And then we have this Dove for $2.85. A little face mask for 75 cents. The price was $1.50 in the app, so that's nice to see. And then we have some Tinactin for $3.62. No digital coupons to go with that guy. And we have the Aussie. It's just a styling cream for $2.50. We also have some Epsom salt for $2.17. This looks like a massive bag, so a little bit of value right there. And the Dollar Shave Club razor for $4.50. If a digital coupon shows up later in the week, definitely load it. I would love to get this guy for 50 cents, but we have to wait and see what we get. And the Bic razor for $2.85. Again, only with a really good digital coupon, unless this is your favorite thing in the whole world. I would wait. We have this handy grip. I saw this in a couple clearance sections, so $3. It looks like an interesting little product by Mr. Clean. We have this Glade candle for $2.32. Again, we have no digital coupons, but it's a massive candle, so maybe $2 isn't the worst thing. And we have this cute little double pack for $2.25. And we also have this larger Airwick Pure, so it's a little canister and the thing that dispenses the spray for $5.85. None of these items, unfortunately, have digital coupons. A little triple pack of the Airwick for $3.82. And a little can of spray to go inside of that machine for the automatic spraying for $2.42 by Airwick. We have some Gorilla Glue, always a good thing to have in your stockpile, for $3.62 for projects. Nothing's better than Gorilla Glue. And we have the Lysol and Microban for $3.37. Check Shop Me in case there might be a rebate for that. We have this little pack of Sharpies with Mystic Gems for $2.50. Very cute colors. And we have this little 2-pack for basket bags. So you put your basket inside of it and wrap it up in the cellophane for 75 cents. And the Raid, I saw this in many clearance sections for $5.75. Looks like some sort of fogger to kill every single bug in your home. We have a fancier Conair hair dryer for $11.12. We have some Vanity Fair napkins, $1.32, and these hefty plates for $1.62. So perfect for a cookout. And at $3, we have this little cross stitch, which I think is really cute. Like, I can't adult today. I think most of us would want that. We have a Lego set at $5.25 or $4.72. Perfect for those kids' birthdays to stock up on different Legos. So here are the UPCs. The Purple Square merchandise will be 90% off starting on February the 27th, which is a Tuesday. So this guy will be 50 cents. And I'm wondering, as part of the clearance event, if it'll be a quarter starting on the 1st of March. We don't know. We'll have to figure that out as we go along. But I think a lot of these gift sets with the Purple Squares will probably get cleared out probably on Tuesday the 27th. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.